Here we pick out 7 best iCloud alternatives to backup, transfer, and manage files on iOS devices. Top 1. Google Drive. Google Drive is a stable and secure cloud-based storage service developed by Google. The Google account provides 15 gigabytes of free storage space, which is shared between Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. It can work well with your iOS devices and allows you to access the uploaded files with your iPhone, Mac, or iPad. It is a great iCloud alternative for iOS that enables you to back up your data, share files with others, and sync files across devices. Top 2. Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is an iOS data managing program that integrates with multiple useful features. It provides a secure and stable backup solution for iOS devices. You can back up files including contacts, text messages, notes, calendars, bookmarks, music, videos, photos, books, and apps from iOS devices to computer or iTunes with one click, and restore the backups to your iOS device with the original format and quality. Top 3. Dropbox. Dropbox is another iCloud backup alternative that's worth trying. It provides personal and business plans and has gained huge popularity among customers. Dropbox allows you to back up files like photos, videos, and you can access the files from anywhere. But it only provides 2 gigabytes free storage space, which is less than most of its competitors. Top 4. Amazon Drive. If you spend a lot of time on Amazon services, Amazon Drive can be your ideal alternative to iCloud. It is simple to use with clean interfaces. It allows you to easily access the files like documents, music, photos, and videos that uploaded to Amazon Drive. If you are a Prime subscriber, you can get unlimited storage space for backing up photos. Top 5. Box. Box is a great cloud storage service that keeps your files at the tips of your fingers. Box can be your iCloud replacement that safely store, manage, and share your files with 10 gigabytes of free storage space. With it, you can access and preview your files and folders from anywhere. It enables you to view and complete your tasks on the go. Top 6. Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is also a good iCloud equivalent that comes with 5 gigabytes free cloud storage space. It keeps your photos and files backed up and accessible on all your devices. It enables you to share files like documents, photos, and videos to others with ease. Top 7. MediaFire. MediaFire is an easy-to-use cloud storage app, which is also a good option when it comes to iCloud alternative. It allows you to upload various files and lets you organize the files easily with the built-in file manager, and the sharing is easy. But it is to be noted that MediaFire doesn't come with a desktop client, so if you want to access files on your computer, you can only do it via the web.